Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have no installed by default always on display feature. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. And now here in search bar let's enter movies. Oh sorry, I just forgot to activate Wi-Fi. Movies Edge. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click Draw Over Apps. Then tap here to Movies Edge and tap once on the switcher to activate it. And after that, just go back to the application. Then tap here to the IOD and let's select, for example, this term. Tap here to apply, and now when we'll lock our device, we can check. Press twice on the power key button and now we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.